Shypmax is an international logistics service provider. You can avail of Shypmax service to deliver orders to overseas customers. In this video, you will understand the step-by-step process to activate Shypmax on your online store. As the first step, open the seller panel of your online store. Then in the left navigation, click on store settings. After that, click on shipping and then click on activate now. On this overlay, you'll have to click on the button apply now. Shypmax sign up screen will load up. Here you have to enter your name, your company name, email ID, create a password, enter your contact number and do a OTP verification to verify your contact number. After that, review and agree to the terms of use and finally click on register to move to the next step. KYC verification screen will load up. Here you have to select the legal entity type of your company, that is whether your company is sole proprietorship, partnership, etc. After that, you have to enter the name of your company. Now this name should be exactly the same as per government proof of record. After that, you have to enter the name and contact number of authorized signatory. After that, you have to add the Aadhaar number of authorized signatory. Then you have to add the GST number and you have to upload the GST certificate. After that, you have to enter the PAN number of your company and then upload a scanned copy of PAN. And after that, you have to download the authorization letter format from here. This authorization letter has to be printed, signed and stamped, and then you have to upload the scanned copy of authorization letter. After that, you have to enter the billing address and upload the signature of the authorized signatory. In case you are shipping under CSP 5, you have to tick this option and finally you have to click on submit. After completing the KYC step, on the screen click on this icon and after that click on settings. In the profile tab, verify your email ID. Now click on API to open the API tab. Here you have to generate the API keys. After generating the API keys, go back to the seller panel of your online store. On the seller panel of your online store, you have to navigate back to the Shypmax activation screen, and here you have to copy paste the API keys that you have generated in the previous step. After entering the API keys, click on save and enable.